Hi there everyone. Sorry it's been a couple of weeks. I've been finishing up some schoolwork that was really important, but I'm back here to read with you today. Today I have a new story that I just got yesterday, so I'm super duper excited about it. It's called The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. Let's get started. I've made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look so as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Ooh, what do you think? Do you think Sam and Victoria get 6 anymore? That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Tom, and look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Mom, as the doorbell rang. It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma, you can share the cookies. So they were at 3 each. I wonder how many they get now. That's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma's, said Peter, and smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. They were at 2 each. I wonder how many they'll be at now. That's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Joy, and look as good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Oh no, they're at 1 cookie each. What do we think is going to happen? Uh-oh. And rang. That doorbell keeps ringing. Oh dear, said Ma, as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. Perhaps you better eat them before we open the door. Well, wait, said Sam. Do you think there might be a special surprise for them? Oh, excuse me. It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share with them, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. How many cookies do you think they're all going to get now if Grandma made a lot of cookies? Could be a lot of different numbers, don't you think? And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. That's As the Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. This is such a cute book, and they talk about cookies, which makes me kind of hungry. I hope to see you all next week when I read another story, and hopefully this week that you're watching right now, I'll be able to get out a couple of videos to make up for the weeks that I missed due to school. I hope you all are doing well, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.